who taught you how to use a computer? No one really, not one single person. I was lucky enough to grow up just as computers and PCs were becoming more commonplace in the home. So I remember my dad brought home our first PC, our first family PC in 1995 or 1996, and I was only 5 or 6 years old then, so I had the chance to just experiment and play with it and learn how it works from a very young age. So effectively I'm self-taught, although I think that's true for most people. Children nowadays can unlock an iPad when they're 1 or 2 years old. It's quite incredible. So I don't think the younger generation need to be taught how to do the basics. I think perhaps people who were born before computers were commonplace might have to learn specific skills. Like my mum still has trouble sending emails and downloading things, so I have to help her. So I feel quite lucky in that sense that I didn't have to sit down and learn how to do it. I just picked it up intuitively and naturally over time.